Hey there everyone, back again with another video. And in this video we are going to learn a classical algorithm, that is the binary search. Okay. So what is binary search? You will be given a array and a number or a string, anything. Okay. I am just assuming that we are just searching for a number, but you can also search for the character or a string or any other thing. Okay. So we will give an array and a number, and you have to search this number in this array. Okay, so how we can do that? But there is a prerequisite. The prerequisite of this search is that your array should be sorted. Should be sorted. Okay, either in descending or in the descending order. You have to do that. Okay, so let's start with some of the explanation of this algorithm. So let's say that we are given a array. Let's say that b1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Okay, so in this algorithm we will have a left index at the starting of this array. That will be at the starting, this will be 0, and we will also have a right index that will be at the last of the array. So its index will be array dot length -1. Okay, so what we will do, firstly we will find the mid index place. So how we can find the mid index place? We will just say the left plus right, and we will add up the both of the thing. We will just divide by 2. So, and first of all, what we will do, at the first time we will just check if the array at mid is equal to my search element. Let's say that search element is x, and we are searching for, let's say that we are searching for 8. Okay, so at the starting 0, so mid, what will be the mid? 0 plus what is the element? 9. So 9 by 2, so it will be equal to 4.5. so the division will give us 4. So what is the fourth index? 0 1 2 3 4 5. So what we will just do, 5 is double equal to 8? No, 5 is not equal to 8. Okay. So then what we will do, we will just say that array at mid. Okay, if array at mid is greater than x, okay, or array at this mid is greater than x, it means that our element lies here. So what we will just do, we will say that right is equal to mid. Okay, but in this case 5 is greater than 8, false, so we will not do anything. Okay, let's come down and we will take a new case. Let's say that array is less than x. Okay, so 5 is less than 8. Yes, it is less than x. So what we will do, we will set left is equal to mid. Okay, we will just mid. So at this point, okay, at this point our left will come at 5. Okay, left will come at 5, and the index will be 4. Okay. And now what we will do, we will just repeat the whole process again, okay, till we don't reach our element. Okay, we have to just repeat all these steps. Okay, so how we will check the will our iteration will end or not? We will just check that if left is less than equal to right. Okay, If left is less than equal to right, then only we can go with that. If it is not, then we will not go with that. Okay, so how, let's start with say the coding of this algorithm. Okay, so what I will do, I will just remove all these things. And at the starting, let's say that I have a array and it have a element like 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 8 comma 9 comma 10, and I have a x that is to be searched and it is 8. Okay, so what we will do now, we will just what you can say, we will have a variable left that will be 0, and we will have a variable right that is equal to array dot length -1. Okay, and now what we will do, we will just go and check like that, or like that we have talked in our example, that while my left is less than equal to right, until then I have to check that, and we will have a variable mid. We will just set parse in, and inside that left plus right divided by 2. Okay, and at the first we will just check if array add mid double equal to x, we will just return true. Okay, if it's not the case, if array at mid is less than x, then what we will do, we will just set left is equal to mid, and we will just increase element by 1. Okay, if the element at mid is greater than x, then what we will do, we will just go the right is equal to mid -1. Okay, so this is the case. And at the end we will just print the answer. Just console.log element present at, and after that we will just say mid if it is present. Okay, so let's just run it and check. Okay, so node binary search. Okay, so I didn't find the element. Why? I think I have done something wrong. Left is equal to mid +1 and right is equal to mid -1. Okay, that's correct. Okay, left is equal to mid +1. We have to so let's add a counter, console.log left comma right comma mid comma arr at m it. Here. Okay, so 0 8 4, because we got not. So element at 4 is 5. Yes. Now 5 8. Okay, 1 sec. Okay, so I think this was the issue. 09. This is the length. I have to find the index so it was right. Okay, so what's the issue? I think I have just missed something. While left is less than equal to that, so we got our element right. I think this is getting wrong. 5 plus 9 is 14 by 7. So add this 7. 4, 5, 6, 7. It is checking that element at this is let's put x also. Okay, we have find out why it is not printing that element. We are not coming at this point. 1 second. Oh, sorry. It will not print. I think this is the case. Just move it. Okay, so element is present at 7, but why it was not accessing the variable outside this? I think it was due to the block scope. Okay, so it was just because of this block I was accessing. I have declared the variable inside this block and I was accessing that outside this block. That was the issue. Okay, so this is the case in which we can find out the element, how we can use binary search. Okay, so I think you have got the answer right and you have got the concept how we can use the binary search. Okay, so if you have any of the confusion or you have any of the issues regarding this, you can comment me down and I will definitely get to you on that. So that's all for today.